Sometimes it can be very difficult to know when to see an orthopedic specialist. Things that are good clues as to when to see someone is if you're having difficulty putting any weight on the leg or difficulty moving the arm or the leg, if the joints are swollen and persistently are swollen, if the pain is a severe pain, certainly you should come in and see us, or if it's a mild pain that's not getting better after a few days of rest and ice and taking it easy. If you are having difficulty putting any weight on the leg or having severe pain or having swelling of any of your joints, then you need to come in and see us and have one of our highly trained orthopedic surgeons evaluate you and make sure that there's not something serious that's occurring. We'd be happy to see you. You can either give us a call or check us out on our website at carolinaona.com.